Hi everyone, welcome to Interpreting Derivatives. We're going to be looking at a word problem here to make sure we understand the difference between these two equations. So it says use the information given to identify the meaning of the two equations in the context of the problem. So C of T represents the number of championships Sully has won while coaching basketball, and T is the number of years since 2002. So notice there are two equations that we're going to have to interpret. So the first one is C of 12 equals 3. And then we have C prime of 12 equals 0.4. So if I look at the first one here, this is the one that you're probably most familiar with. We can tell from this equation that T is 12 in this case. Okay, and so what that means is that's 12 years since 2002. And so let's see, what is that? So that means 2014. So by 2014, we know, according to this equation in this context, that Sully has won how many championships? 3. Okay? So that's what that first equation means. So C of 12 equals 3 tells us that by 2014, Sully has won 3 championships. Now the second equation is a little different. So if you refer back to the notes, whenever we see a derivative, remember this derivative right here is telling us an exact moment in time. So when we see C prime of 12, what that is saying is that in that year, okay, so remember this is still telling us that T is 12, all right, which means that we're in the year 2014, so that is the current year. It is telling us that in 2014, the rate at which Sully is winning championships is increasing. Now, how do I know it's increasing? Because this 0.4 is positive. So I know the rate at which he's winning championships is increasing. And so let's write this more formally. What I want to say is in 2014, so at that moment of time, the rate at which Sully is winning, because remember that is the slope of the tangent line, so we're looking at the rate at which it's happening. What is he winning? Championships. Is increasing. Now remember, we know it's increasing because it's a positive value by 0.4 championships. Right, so what is the rate? The rate is championships per year. So in 2014, the rate at which Sully is winning championships is increasing by 0.4 championships per year. So again, the difference is one is an exact moment of time and the other one is over the course of time.